No sure make we are
ready.
All right. We are msana wewe. Unonzani?
Faith Candy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Kostara ko jere.
Faith Napazi.
Chi?
Faith Napazi.
Faith Napazi.
Yeah, I'm from Malawi.
All right. Kwedu kumuzi.
Yeah, ndinacho. Yeah.
Okay. Ndova Malawi Msanje.
That's nice.
You wanna baby?
Cholo.
The gubi wewe.
Cholo just after Tikati Lilongwe, then Cholo.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Taurisa mbichana because musaito nga makatsikirira mavhotsi ka.
Okay.
Waona murani medu munopfuura varungu.
Yeah.
Avenues.
Nice.
Saka titaure Faith Candy. Unoita nezvei?
Okay. Faith Candy ndinese magitari.
Nese magitari.
Yes. Vamwe vanonditi nese magitari, vamwe vanonditi Zimbabwe Nicki Minaj, mazita angu ese. I used to sing urban grooves. The Vandabam urban grooves. I used to sing extra large. I sing right Wakawanda Stereo urban grooves. Then ndakazotanga kupinda kwamarhythm ndikamupinda panene wenzi Silent Killer natima quickly tikaimba nese magitari.
All right.
Then 2015 I joined hands with Bazooka based in Australia. Batazanga kuimba Afro Jazz. Then we opened our studio on the Bazooka Studios.
Iri kupi Bazooka Studios?
Bazooka Studios is based in town, Paungwe House, First and Jason Moyo.
All right.
Yes. So Bazooka Studios, we have a rhythm hop, but we record Afro Jazz, all genres.
All right.
Yes.
My genre is?
Yeah, yes.
Wow, okay.
So what kind of message will you be portraying when you be singing in your Afro Jazz?
Okay, our music in Afro Jazz with Bazooka is based on true story, on true life story. It's based on true stories.
Oh.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Saka unekana one record inorizwa pa radio.
All our albums are not on radios. All our videos are not played on ZTV.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So this year we are releasing an album in April. Sorry, June. Sorry.
Inenge chinzi chi album eh?
We are still deciding the name.
Or is a crew kana munhu wani?
With Bazooka. Afro Jazz I sing with Bazooka. We sing Tiri2.
Oh, Bazooka munhu.
Yes, he's based in Australia.
Ano where achienda?
Yeah, I know where achienda.
Okay. Saka zvakarongeka kai. Ine keshi ko.
Masana kuna mari, munasana mari. Yes, for Afro Jazz we have a song inonzi My Day. We have a song inonzi Buda. Then Jwome say the video is on ZTV. Then yeah. Then Masangwano Era. We have many songs on ZTV on all radio stations.
Okay.
Yes.
But what really inspired you to be in Afro Jazz?
Mature music.
Mature music.
I'm getting old.
What do you mean?
Like I'm getting old. So and I have a daughter who is 8 years, and I have to sing something that brings messages like mature genre.
Sure.
Yes.
But if you get a chance, can you get into Zimdancehall?
Yeah, and it's only my rhythms, SF Bazooka Studios.
Oh.
Yeah, I did my rhythms with Ekuchu Sport. I did my rhythms with Ekuchu Slam. Silent Killer. You know the next my guitar I did with Tima Kubi. Yeah, it was a collab. Then Kubot Islam.
Ukapinda pa Body Slam reading?
No, pa Body Slam reading and nakupinda ndakazopinda later my readings later kwana mukwa bakta na BTK.
All right.
Yeah, and
Are you trying to say that we've got a celebrity here?
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah. Television.
Atitori naye Mbare. manje izvo wakuita ndozvatikafarira
Oh, okay, sorry.
it's called antisocial behavior tisipa interview akumbotarisa foni
Oh, sorry.
anomira munhu yewhatsapp iyeyo saka netauro une makore makani
I turned 29 in February.
are you married
I'm not married, but I have a fiance.
all right
Yes.
all right is he taking good care of you
Very.
because I can
He is.
all right azinofadza umorese musimbise
Okay, I will.
ayo musimbise ka
Okay, and I get a crown.
all right haiwa wamusimbisa tazvinzwa
That's my business.
saka apa manje muri kunzwa kunzi zvese zvezimdancehall izvi ndo zviri kutonga apa muri kuita afro jazz and
Yes.
mi munoridzira kupi
Okay, it's not easy like Jazz 24, City Sports Bar, Time and Jazz, all the places.
uchitobhadharwa mari kunzi wapedza kuimba
Yes.
vanhu vatamba
Yes, Vanakids.
vanakirwa wobva watonzi yako iyi
Yes,
iwewe
yes,
all right that's nice unoedza nebendi
yes, we have a band.
not Mercedes
Arnold, the Afro Oz Jazz Band. Yes.
all right
Like
African Australia Jazz Band.
wakambobuda kunze kwenyika wakambokuenda australia
We launched our album in Australia. We launched our album in Australia in 2015. Yeah.
iwe wakamboenda australia kupi
Sydney.
ndakaenda kumelbourne
Okay.
last year
Oh, okay.
Ndakaenda
kangaroo.
Oh, okay. That's great. That's great.
saka wakatoonana kuda chamisa kai
No, I never got the chance to say.
ndakamuona kuda chamisa
Oh, that's
yes
nice.
nemapictures naye
Oh,
yeah
Swiss Kuda Chamisa.
kuda chamisa wamuziye munhu
Oh, we're for Facebook.
mpana nenda zvichipopa iwe
Oh,
Pa
okay.
Facebook.
I know him.
wamuziya
Yeah.
but ndakati akuita zvichipopa anokuita majokes
Oh,
anonakirwa neupenyu
okay.
muposka sando dzake
Oh, big up Kuda Chamisa.
that's right
And also big up Bazooka in Australia.
yeah nepethi yese
Yeah, and all the Sydney people, Perth, Melbourne.
naangie D'Souza wokumelbourne wangu ini
Okay, big up Angie D'Souza from Melbourne.
that's right wakaipa saka titaure maprograms enyu maya manje makamira papi any new music
Okay, yes.
yakabuda this quarter or half of the year
Okay, at Bazooka Studios, Taka release a rhythm, Reconscious, and the medley is coming out soon.
inonzi chii reconscious
Okay, it's Love and Pain. Love and Pain rhythm.
love and pain who produced it
Casper Beats, he's our producer at Bazooka Studios.
anobatwa sei kana vanhu vachida music iyoyo does he have a phone number kana kuti ane Facebook or what not
Okay, you can check him on our email address, bazookastudios@gmail.com, or you can contact him on 0711 863 639.
but bazuka yenyu haisi bazuka yenhingi yezvimbambaira
No.
ispeleka
Yes.
yenyu ina ba
BAZUKA, Bazooka.
eka because vanhu vanotanga kuzokugaya kuti tada kuda kuzokupfuurana waiziya hazvina hondo mukati
Yeah.
ngoti mabrothers and sisters
sound inonzi judgment yard.
Yeah, Judgment Yard. Big up Etherton, Judgment Yard. Big up DJ Flavor.
Oh, Silverstone.
Big up Silverstone.
awite awite
But Mumbo Tizzy, my shoes, still one judgment yard.
ndofunga anga achiri mudiko
Silverstone, Tiri Mangoma.
Yeah,
Kana ukataza red paside
Silverstone.
pako munzi kwakaona unoona kuti chambare anoona kutangira kana song ipapa saka we are out and bad so bad
yeah
hosted by Magribhi
yes
Canada scene So everything is cook and curry, and we are happy to know you as an artist as well. But as for Silver Story, we are Hollywood.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man.
Chititaurira muchipedzisa manje. Zvatinotarisira kana nezvachatarisira nezvamuda kuzoita.
Okay. Yeah, all I can say is from Bazooka and Faith Candy. Tarisira mature music. I think each and everyone her music yedu pan for nema situations anaendera ne life yake because we are bringing true stories to people. Then at Bazooka Studios amangoma mune mchingotarisira ese dance or hip hop, jazz, all the genres.
Makazvarwa kupi munoziya namo?
Yes.
Mazvarwa?
Ndakazvarwa kuPalawi ndikazoya munomu, but I know now.
Munogarawo?
I stay in Wesley.
Wesley? Makambogara ku before Wesley? Wesley ndiye mai manje?
Ndakakurira kuHighfield, Will of Flags.
Ndiye mai manje?
Ndakagara futi kuGlenview.
Chimudiki 29 zvinokupindirana zvinoenderana
Asi nhamo ndoiziya
yedu chache munoziya
yemugeto chaiyo yedu yejecha
muchanyanya nhamo taura kuti pamwe pakapenga pautakuona masista potangoramba tichingotira kumaka nhamo because pamwe pakapenga nekuti masista anga ari kuhere kushow yakaitwa yemusi 29 October kuAlexander Park
yeyifuta.
Oh, okay.
Manga muri kwe?
Judgment yard, Killer T was fun the place.
But hatitaura zvakila T kana ine judgment yard. Tikutaura zvaFaith Candy. Ichimobura ichimomira kubuda mutsaga iwe. Faith Candy taurawo.
Yes.
Ndi political commissar. Anokanganisa pfungwa.
So ndikuti kuBazooka Studios we have a good quality fun. So ndikuti Makidho ese uyai tikurekodera. Mazuva ano zvinhu zvikunetsa. Kune anenge vanhu chipo chekuti unonyatsoona kuti munhu uyu ane chipo but hapana
mari. All right. Chivapai kanhamba yekuBazooka Studios wacho.
Okay. You can contact on 0775 873 250.
It's okay.
Or you can like our page on Facebook, Bazooka Records, Bazooka Studios.
Or pa YouTube muripo futika.
Pa YouTube you can subscribe Bazooka Studios.
Number is a producer.
Number is a manager of Bazooka Studios. Producer knows the Casper Beats. Yoku Bazooka Studios. Anengatori ku studio izvo zvatori. Yes. Kona Face and Jason Moyo pa Ungwe House mu first floor mungoti Bazooka Studios.
Amwe acho havambo ndakarekeza kwapinza mutaunda avatombopinda mutaunda havana zvikuita mutaunda. Uyo anonzi Boris. Uyo anonzi Makidho. Uyo anonzi Chodza onayo. Right. Tauda kupedzisa. Hapana munhu wamunaye here wamuda kuti moresa shamwari hama neshamwari dziri kunze kwenyika nedziri muno vamhoresei?
Okay, ndinoda kungoti big up kuna Bazooka futi. Vozi Bazooka akaipa. Then I would like to bigger Ghetto Crown Makapenga.
Alright.
Ghetto Crown Makapenga. Then big up Bazooka Studios, big up our producer Casper Beats, and big up Primrose.
Primrose aramba akapinda mvideo.
Primrose angasingiredi naso.
But unoziva pamwe akutoda kutopinda mvideo manje akunyara manje.
Primrose.
Akunyara.
Primrose yaungoti big up.
Hauna hama here, une hama dziri kunze kwenyika dzimoreso. Amai ningi, baba ningi.
Okay, big up to my aunt. UK Melody.
Melodani.
Melochirimuta.
Nani.
Ajita hama dzakawanda dziri kunze kwenyu.
Ko dziri muno saka una hama dziri muZimbabwe.
Alright, big up to my daughter Shanika and big up to my closest friend Pachira.
Alright, wakaipa. Aiwa.
Big up Marasta ese.
Ayo Marasta. Na Primrose. Vazongokwana vazikwanisa nemarasta. Ayo Marasta futsu. Yeah. Uite.
Yes, and big up Shuto.
Yes.
Shuto. Olha stupid. Stupid ane Mbare no Magribhi. Achidzokerera kanhamba yenyu tipedze. Nesa anoimba. Hauna kana ka freestyle?
Okay.
Ina freestyle.
Pane rhythm rekubhaska students inonzi Candy Buzz.
Alright.
Havaone zvakanaka patira, vanoona zvakanaka pavara, zvatinoronga vanoshora, vozoona vakuzviita ivo.
Yeah, wakaipa. Bro. Thanks very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Sharp.
Okay.